French Bulldog puppy, only 5 months old and already highly reactive. And this behaviour just gets worse. They don't grow out of it, they grow into it. Beast is out and has got his hackles up from all the way top down, completely locked on and growling at him. And already pretty horrible on the lead, always out in front pulling, putting a whole load of pressure on that delicate trachea. So initially we start by working on his opposition reflexes, teaching him how to move and yield to the leash pressure and not fight it. Then we implement a formal heel which is not allowed to break until released, before we finally enforce the leave command that can be used towards any triggers. Beast is back out for the test and he does a smashing job. We do pass after pass without him losing it, no locking on or growling towards him. And then we head outdoors for a few tweaks and fine tuning, and he does a cracking job, beautiful engagement, and it's the most lovely walk back.